Welcome. We're going to be using CNN models to detect tropical systems from satellite images. The technology used is readily available and can be downloaded from the internet. For this particular project, we are running on Windows 11 using an NVIDIA GPU. The data that we are using is downloaded from web.org, which is an archive website that captures websites that are no longer available when you go to the URL. We are targeting the NOAA, National Hurricane Center repository of tropical systems from 2014 to 2023. Each of the images downloaded has an accompanying forecast discussion. That forecast discussion has some literals in there that we are able to assign a label to what is a storm or what is not a storm. Typical train validation test architecture: 60, 30, 10% for test, used for predicting on unseen data. The CNN model has 3 layers. We're using max pooling and the kernel size of 3 by 3 within the convolutional networks, and the dense layer creates a 0 or 1 output label. The training immediately got to 100% accuracy, and the loss was also very impressive, but we weren't sure exactly how accurate this was. By looking at each layer, we were able to determine that this might be focusing on the text rather than the actual cloud images. Further layer breakdown shows that the text is more prominent than the images of the clouds. We tried to augment the images so that the training could look at different versions of the images rather than just focusing on specific orientation. However, by doing that, we still had issue with very high training accuracy, and the confidence in the predictions was almost set to 1. This did not seem to help. We learned that we need higher numbers of images for a model to successfully work. This can work though. With proper images fed into a model, we think that this can properly predict hurricanes and tropical systems.